What's up, Internet? This is a Prinsu Design Studio modular roof rack system for a Toyota FJ80. This is my 93 triple locked 80. I'm not going to get into the details of how the roof rack got pulled off it, but people believe that there may have been a car wash and snow skis involved. Anyway, I'm going to do an unboxing video on this bad boy, and then we'll see what's inside of this bad boy. Proudly made in the USA. Alright guys, let's get right into it. This is the Prinsu roof rack. You guys also should get one of these shirts from Wits End. They're totally sweet. It's got all the parts number for your front axle rebuild for your 80. So let's see what's in this bad boy. We'll get it opened up and see what it takes to install it. Comes pretty well packaged, it looks like, from the outside at least. Heavier than it looks, too. Guess that means it's good, right? Alright. Cool, let's take a look inside this bad boy, see what we got. So we got this stuffing in here. Get that popped out. We've got the rails here labeled Land Cruiser 80. Got some sweet stickers here. Let's go put these over on the cruiser. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, you're putting that right on the paint. Yeah, the paint's not great. So, all right. Comes a little bag. Looks like all the attachment hardware is in there. All the screws and bolts. Not sure what this is here. We'll have to get that opened up. Whoa. More brackets. Looks like these are, brackets for the rods to put it down on there. Let's see what else we got in here. So we got the two sides of that. We'll put that on there. This is the vehicle specific fitment there. Comes with this, looks like a piece of weather stripping. Not 100% sure where this goes. Guess that's where the instructions will come in. Yeah, maybe it's for the front of it or something. All right, here we have our packing list. Make sure we got everything going. And I'll go over this here in detail as soon as we can. Crossbars and all that stuff. Oh, here we go. Crossbars, wind deflector, standard. I ordered mine without the cutout for the light bar, because I'm not going to put a light bar on it. If I do, I'll just put it up a different place. Looks like it's got the wind deflector, noise trim, side rails, hardware kit. All right, BT, we're going to take a peek at it. These look nice. This looks like it's the wind deflector. It's got nice Prinsu written on it there. Everything's looking to be in good shape. Put that right here. And it looks like the rest of this stuff is just the rails. So we got the silver one and the rest of the black ones. So, alright, well, we'll get this stuff going and we'll get everything set up. Looks like it's all here, so we'll check it out. Forgot to tell you guys, you need to download the instructions before you do that. There's a little link on there you can look at and install, but these instructions look fairly detailed, so we're going to see how long it takes us to do this thing. I mean, it kind of fits across the bottom really nicely, but I don't think there's supposed to be a gap on the sides, to be honest. So, I don't know if they sent me the wrong windshield on that. So, let me take a peek at this. Here's what they said they packed. They got a wind deflector, WDS. Here it is installed, looks pretty sick. I think I do need a different, I think they sent like the wind deflector from a different vehicle. So anyway, here we are. Prinsu Rack on the old Land Cruiser. $1,000 upgrade. Ready for overlanding.